Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm just trying to do what I'm going to see if it's better. Yep, it is. So I'm right here, and my mom went to Party City, and I was talking about her in the car. About this person had a mini Rubik's Cube that looks like an AG doll size. So this is my Rubik's Cube. I mixed it up. I cannot fix it at all. But yeah, it's really fun. But yeah, I did not figure it out yet. But yeah. So I'm gonna put that. So you probably can guess what's in here. I'm not gonna show you the receipt, but I will tell you the price. The price is I think it was 60 cents. But anyways, since I have 4 American Girl dogs, I have Isabel, Pitt, Grace, and Elizabeth. She got me 4 doll size. So I have one opened already, which is this one, I think. No. Is it this one? No. It was this one right here. I opened it in a car. So you can find these at Party City. So yeah. So I open it, and it's different colors. It's not pink like mine is. Look how compared size it is. So compared to a real human size to this tiny size, which is a doll size kind of one. So yeah, and you can actually move it, but it is stiff. See, like that. There's light blue, white, pink, yellow, and lima green. And I have 4. So thanks for watching. Bye.